Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an extension in Chrome browser. So firstly open Chrome browser. After that click on these three vertical dots. Now move the cursor to more tools. In here click on extensions. Now friends, you will see in here a list of extension. If you want to remove any particular extension, so just click on remove. In my case, I want to remove this extension. So simply click on remove. It will ask to confirmation. Again click on remove. That's it. Very easy and simple method. You want to remove any extension, so just click on remove. So that's it friend. By this easy and simple method we can remove extension in Chrome browser. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.